it's Lou Collins, and I want to show you today how to use the Brushstrokes Uppercase and Lowercase Alphabet Stamp Sets together for perfect results every time. Now, they are built to work together. Some people prefer to just use upper or lowercase, but when you use them together, you get a really gorgeous handwritten font. But you can, of course, spell out absolutely any name or sentiment that you wish to, so you can really start personalising your greetings. Now, I like to do this one letter at a time. You can, of course, work with a couple of letters at a time, but you won't get them quite joining up because of the ways that the stamps have to be produced. Now, we have had them cut as closely as possible, so you will get as small a gap as possible, but ideally, if you can do this separately, then please do. I'm going to use the word, quite a long word, congratulations, just so that I can show you how well it all works together. So, of course, starting with an uppercase, I'm starting with a C. If you're not sure about the angle of the letter, you can have a look on the sheet. We've got them all at the correct angles. So I'll pop the C down there. Now you notice it's got quite a long tail. This is actually called a connector. So those connectors are what leads into the next letter. And you'll notice on these lowercase ones in particular, because these will nearly always connect up to the next letter, these have long connectors too, but there's nothing at the front. So where we're doing the word congratulations, so that I've got the O next, which is actually a particularly small letter, and that's just the way the font goes. I'm going to pop this just overlapping the end of the C there. So you just want to catch the end of the C. Now, hopefully you can see that clearly, that we've got the C and the O perfectly joined up. And then we've got the connector ready to go into the next letter. So the next one would be an N. Again, if you need to, just have a look at the backing sheet just so you can work out the angle, because some of these, being the handwritten font, they are at slight angles. Again, the top of the N, I'm just going to connect or stamp over the end of that line, and you're actually better to go a little too far over it than not enough. Now I'm going to continue doing this full word, and then I will show it to you. So there's the full word, congratulations, spelt out using those individual letters, but it's all joined up. So that's how you use the upper and the lowercase Brushstrokes stamp sets together for perfect sentiments that can be completely personalised.